Om friends, welcome to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. In today's reading, we will see what the month June 2023 is bringing for our Gemini friends. Let us first shuffle and pull out our cards, and then we will move to the reading. And our last few cards. So we have our cards ready. So these are your cards, Gemini. And let us first look at your oracle cards. The first card, the Lover's card. Actually, it is not the Lover's card, it is the Lover oracle card. This is a fantastic time for you to experience life. They say, live life king size. This is the time when you will be living life king size. The Lover card promises you that you will relish everything around you. This is the way to live. Enjoy the pleasures, experience everything to the fullest. Be alive. This is the card which promises that you will be alive. Your circumstances, your life situations will make you feel alive. You will feel things deeply and sensitively. This is also a fantastic time to enjoy different kinds of arts, go to galleries, go to music concerts, enjoy all sorts of music and art performances, music recitals, dance performances. Really live and enjoy your life. Experience life. Also experience relationships. Basically, the Lover card says that now is the time to actually be in love with everything that is around you, everyone that is around you, and even yourself. Feel connected, feel that connection, and live with a sense of gratitude. So you will see that there is so much around you in life that you feel that sense of gratitude this month. That you feel thankful for all that there is around you. You feel the sense of awe and wonder at the beauty of life around you, at the beauty of everything that's going on around you. Let's look at your next oracle card. That's a beautiful space to be in. Coyote spirit, trust in divine detours. So this card promises two things. First, it says that there will be detours. Expect detours. Expect things not to go the way you had expected them to go. So basically, expect the unexpected. However, this card also tells you to have faith. It gives you that promise that whatever detour life makes you take or forces you to take, that detour, that new path will take you to the correct final destination. So have faith in detours, because those detours are divine. Your next card, bald eagle. Am I ready to be seen? Soar. Another beautiful card for you, because this card promises that there will be successes, there will be recognition. You will feel recognized. You will feel like you're in the limelight. You will feel happy that all that I have done in the past, now it is being paid for. I'm being able to reap the benefits of all that has happened in the past. So Gemini, these were your oracle cards. And now let's pull out the tarot cards and see what the month circumstances are like, what life is really throwing up. Eight of Swords, feeling inhibited, not feeling free. Now, I do see contrasts here, and you will also question the contrasts here. Soar and then not feeling free. So this card is more about the recognition, the worldly recognition, worldly successes. This may be internal, this may be mental. You may feel a little stuck, you may feel negatively, you may feel that you are not free to do what you want to. And with a detour, probably you may not want to really have a very positive approach towards the detours and towards things around you. So you may need to guard that a little. The Emperor card. You will have a good discipline this month. Basics will be in place. All the daily chores, daily activities seem to be just very well in place. For quite a few of you, there may be an important role played by a prominent male in your life. That could be your boss, your father, your husband. But this is a good month to feel stable, to feel grounded, to feel supported and protected. King of Coins. Also, this month you will see is great for growing your business, starting a new business, planning out things. However, one thing is for sure with these cards here, that things will go very slowly. They will not go at the speed that you expect. They will be nice and slow. And you will enjoy the slowness. It is not as though you won't enjoy the slowness. You will relish it, because you will probably yourself be in the mood to just relax, chill, enjoy, and kind of relish the slow pace of life. Next, I'm gonna pull out cards for you, Gemini, about what your mood will be like, what you're feeling like, and your mental state, like success. Very nice, because you are getting recognition, and that recognition is making you feel fulfilled internally, making you feel happy, giving you a fulfilled feeling. You may have probably been waiting for a very long time. You may have worked very hard for it. And finally, the success is yours, and you're feeling successful, and you're feeling that energy rush inside, that finally it's mine. Conditioning, another card which is telling us to be careful about any negative thinking that you may have. So one theme that seems to be here this month, Gemini, for you, is to be watchful about how you approach things, how you approach people, what your perspective is like. Because with these two cards here, somewhere you may be more inclined to be a little more, despite the Lovers card here, there may be a certain negativity inside internally. This card here also tells you not to judge people. Just relax and accept whatever someone is. Last card, awareness card. So, good card after this card. If you're able to control how you feel, maybe try and be a little more positive, you will feel more connected. See, the lover card here tells us that this month will give you an ample opportunity to connect to people. The conditioning card here is telling us that you may be a little judgmental towards people, how you perceive people. And then the awareness card here is telling me that the moment you drop this conditioning, this judgment towards people, this feeling of judgmental, this feeling of trying to fit people into a preconceived notion of what is right, what is wrong. The moment you're able to shed that, you will feel more connected to those people, which is what this month wants you to do, feel connected. Now, the three main areas of your life, we'll look into that. So the first card I'm going to pull out for you is your finances, and that's the Six of Swords. Good card. Any kind of financial difficulty, if you had been facing until now, then you will feel you are now coming out of that difficulty gradually. You can also expect financial help. If you had been looking for any loans, this is a good time. So financially, all in all, this is a good month for you, Gemini. And next card for your career, Queen of Pentacles. What a beautiful card. This is a month where you wish it and you have it. You plan it and you deliver it. Anything that you decide, you'll be able to deliver, you'll be able to perform. Also, in terms of business, excellent card. Financially excellent. Superb. Even in terms of if you are looking for any kind of expansion of business or of your career, planning on going up the ladder, or just simply planning to get better at your work, produce better, be more productive, deliver better work, get financially paid for it better. In every sense, you name it and you have it. Queen of Pentacles promises you excellent results in terms of career and job. And your last card is the card for your love and relationships. For that you have the Page of Swords. So all of you Gemini friends out there, if you have been waiting for that call or that message, it's gonna happen in this month. And for all of you who are into a relationship or are married, this is a good month for keeping the communication alive. This is the time where you will feel that, rekindling of communication between you and your partner. You can also feel that now your, thoughts are again bubbling up. Communication is getting better. Some changes in the way you have been relating to each other until now. Some positive changes. So Gemini, I see a fantastic month in terms of career, work, finances, connectedness, stability, successes. And the one place that you need to be watchful about is the keeping a positive attitude towards whatever's happening around you, so that you can feel that connection with everything. If you see it as actually a very beautiful spread of very positive cards, yes, there may be a slight feeling of, that things are not moving at the pace that you expect them to move. Yet, there are a lot of positive cards, positive things coming up for you this month. The one thing that the cards are definitely suggesting is to have a more positive outlook towards yourself, towards your life, and more so towards the people around you. Be more accepting and loving of the people around you. So Gemini, that was your reading for June 2023. Do take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.